Next right is cultural and educational rights. Now you have to remember that this right is giving us the right to preserve our culture and a right to education. So under this, the language and culture can be protected by any segment of the society. You can preserve your language and culture in any peaceful manner that you want to. All government and government aided institutions cannot deny admission to anybody because they belong to a particular community. That is, the gates of the educational institutions are open to one and all. Next is, of course, people can start with minority institutions because they feel that they need to protect their language and culture. Now with minority, I do not mean a minority in religion only or in caste only. It could be even in a language. That is, maybe the people of Orissa believe that Oriya is a minority language in northern part of India, so they can open up Oriya schools. So the minority institutions are given all yes under the cultural and educational rights to the citizens of India. Next is right to constitutional remedies. This is in fact the most important right that we have. It has been referred as heart and soul by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, who said that just giving rights to the people is not enough. You should have a remedy if these rights are encroached, if are being taken away, then what should the people do to restore their rights? So for this, the right to constitutional remedies has been given by the Indian Constitution. Under this right, the writs are given to the people like habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorio, wherein you can go and knock the doors of the judiciary and restore your rights. Another thing which the courts of India have now given under the constitutional remedies is the public interest litigation, which allows the citizens to actually go on behalf of others and fight the case for them. Supposing they are poor enough and they cannot fight their case, then you have agencies filing up public interest litigations.